As a content creator, image quality is everything. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools I use on my phone to transform ordinary images or blurry images into professional quality images. Look at the transformation. This was before and this is after. And I'm going to teach you how to do this yourself. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. This is the image. You can see that the image is very blurry, but we are going to enhance the quality of the image. So I want you to go to your Chrome browser. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I've launched my Chrome browser. Now I want you to search for www.cutoutpro/photoenhancer.com. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. All you need to do is for you to check the description of this video for the link. So click on it. So guys, this is the interface of the application. In fact, you can do so much, a lot with this particular application. But for the sake of this tutorial video, I'm only going to be teaching you guys how to enhance an image using this particular AI tool. Lest I forget, you are going to sign in with your Gmail for you to gain access to this AI tool. Now click on upload image. Now this is the image we want to enhance. I've uploaded the image. Now let's wait for it to enhance the image. So guys, hope you can see the transformation. Yes, this is what I was telling you guys. It has enhanced the image. As you can see, it has enhanced the image. It has upscaled the image. It is no longer looking blurry. It is now looking very sharp. So I want you to click on the download icon. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the download icon. So click on it. Yes, I want to download it again. Beautiful, we've downloaded it. That's not all. We are going to increase the resolution of this image to 4K. Yes, we want to increase it to 4K. I want you to go to Gemini, this particular AI tool. In case you don't have it, go to your Play Store. You are going to find it there. Download it and log in. Yes, this is Gemini. I'm going to be showing you guys something that is going to blow your mind. Click on this plus icon. Go to your gallery. Now let's upload the image we downloaded from that other platform. Now this is the image, right? I want you to use this prompt. Convert this image to 1200 to 630 pixels in 4K. So guys, I want the image to be in 4K resolution. Now guys, 4K is a higher resolution. So I want the image to be in 4K resolution. And for me to achieve that, I'm going to give Gemini this prompt. Convert this image to 1200 times 630 pixels into 4K. Now let's watch and see the effect of this prompt on the image. We are almost there. Wait for the result. The result is going to blow your mind. I discovered this not quite long and I decided to share it with you guys. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is wonderful. This was the one we imported and this is the result we got after we gave Gemini the prompt. So this is very beautiful. I hope you've learned something new today. If you know that you got value from this video, do well to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content on this channel. And I want to use this medium to appreciate all the members of our community. Thank you so much for taking our time to celebrate me on the day of my birthday. Pray that God will grant you all your heart desires. Thank you so much. Do well to watch the next video that is going to pop up on your screen.